Major Ziaur Rahman of Shadeen Bangla Liberation Army says, it is reported that more Pakistani Punjabi troops and armaments have been brought to Chittagong and Dhaka by the sea route and by air. I therefore, on behalf of the people of Bangladesh, request all the peace-loving countries of the world to give immediate recognition to the Shadeen Bangladesh and extend physical assistance of all types to liberate the democratic-minded people of Bangladesh. Under circumstances, I hereby declare myself as a provisional head of the Shadeen Bangla Liberation Government. I urge upon the people of Bangladesh to continue this freedom movement with increased vigor and intense sense of devotion. By the grace of God, victory is ours. Jai Bangla.
আপনারা আরেকটু পরে শুনবেন, এখন কিছু যন্ত্রবাদ্য শুনুন, আরেকটু পরে আপনাদের বলা হবে, আরেকটু পরে সারাদিন আপনারা শুনতে পাবেন মাঝে মাঝে। এখন একটু যন্ত্র শুনুন।